Hey, Natural is Me family. It's another Monday, so let's get going with the Monday motivational tip. As usual, I give you one tip, and you can get the other two at the Facebook page, facebook.com/natural.is.me. All right, so let's get going. What you put in affects what you put out. So let's break it down. One of the things that I enjoy about being natural is I enjoy the fact that food correlates to the health of my hair. What I put in affects what comes out. So research and check up on good, yummy foods that encourage and promote healthy hair growth, that also benefit your skin and even your nails, and just are all around good for you. And beyond hair, what you put in also affects what you put out in terms of your attitude, your body, just your spirit. So if you notice that something that you're bringing in, like a friend, an ex, your current boyfriend or girlfriend, your job situation, or just even things in your life aren't helping you to be a good person, let them go. Just let them go and bring things that give a positive vibe. Bring those things in so you can give a positive vibe out. All right, you guys, that is Monday's tip. You can get the other two tips at the Facebook fan page, facebook.com/natural.is.me. Have a good week and employ those tips. Bye.